People go through things, I get it. But you got a lot of victims here. You're taking people, you're stealing from several different people. So, what do you think should happen to you?
I should get a warning.
Think so?
A warning?
You think so?
Yes.
Why do you think that?
I don't know what I'm doing.
On May 21st, 2025, a routine fraud call at a bank turned into something nobody in that room expected. Bodycam captured every second of it. And trust me, there's one moment in this footage that's going to make your jaw drop. The officer looks her dead in the eye, asks her one simple question, and her answer? Absolutely unreal. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to watch this entire fraud scheme unravel, piece by piece, right in front of the camera. This is just where it starts.
Hey, she left already?
I just got back from lunch. This is the ID she presented to this gentleman. She came in week before last and did a withdrawal, and she's been to other branches.
Okay. And she's not this person.
She's not that person.
So, hold on, Teresa. Then she sent it in.
So this is the one that we had from week before last that was sent out in our markets, and we'll be on the lookout for her.
And so this is the person I do have an account, Teresa.
Correct.
Okay, and this person I have an account too. So right now we don't know who she is.
Correct.
Hey, now, before I go, we need to talk to you real quick, okay? Now, we need to talk to you real quick. I'm Officer Hateville Police Department. The reason why we need to talk to you is basically that we got a call stating that you was trying to make some bank transactions or cash a check, whatever you was trying to do, utilizing someone else's information, not yours, and you was trying to impersonate yourself as that person. Are you aware of that?
No.
Okay, do you have your ID now?
No.
You don't have ID?
I just left it on the counter, I think, in there.
You left it on the counter. Why did you leave it on the counter?
It's in here.
Okay. We can get it. Hold second, stay back. Let me get right here.
What's going on?
Hello.
Hi.
Tell us what's going on. What you doing here today?
Nothing.
Nothing. You're at the bank.
I was trying to make a transaction.
So here.
Alright guys, this bodycam footage is about to expose a calculated fraud unfolding right in front of the camera. And trust me, it escalates fast. Inside the bank, employees quietly recognize her the second she walks in. Same face, same scam, different day. And this time, they're not letting her walk out those doors without answers. Before she can even reach the exit, the officer is already moving in, badge visible, tone firm and controlled, cutting off any chance of an easy escape before it even starts. There's no small talk here, no easing into the situation, just a direct, no-nonsense approach. We got a call, and we know something's not right here. You can feel the tension rising instantly in this footage, because everyone in that room, the officer, the staff, even the suspect herself, already senses this is about to unravel fast, and there's no turning back now.
Here's the thing. We're going to go ahead and cut out all the bull crap, okay? You're doing something wrong here. It's in your best interest to tell us what that is. So go ahead and do that, okay? Just be honest. It's okay, you can tell us.
I just tried to do something illegal.
Okay, well tell us what that is, okay? And why did you do it? That's the main thing.
How?
Or why?
I'm just going through a lot of things. My son got locked up. I'm just having financial hardship right now.
Okay. Did somebody set you up to this, or was it something that you decided to do?
No, it's just something that I heard about, and I just
Tried to see.
Yes.
Okay.
please don't.
You got your regular ID?
No.
Okay.
Come here real quick. Let me holler at you real quick. Y'all watch her.
She admitted to it.
What?
She admitted to it.
Okay, this is what the deal is. This ain't her?
Nope.
And that ain't her.
She knows that.
Okay.
She just said she did it all fraudulently because she needed some money.
Okay, cool.
I didn't get I got the why. She did it because she's our kid.
What's your name?
Savannah.
Savannah?
Okay. How did you get up here?
Uber.
You Uber?
Y'all, I just been going through a lot. I just got put out of my apartment. My son is locked up. It's just a lot going on.
No, just because you're going through something, that doesn't mean it's okay to your ID from Georgia.
Yes. I didn't take anything.
Now the officer completely drops the pretense of patience. No more dancing around the truth. No more letting her stall for time. He looks her dead in the eye and tells her flat out to cut the bullcrap. And that pressure finally cracks through her composure. She breaks down right there on camera, quietly admitting she just tried to do something. It's a small confession, but it's the first real fracture in her carefully built story. Then the excuses start pouring out, one after another. Hard financial times, a son who's locked up, the weight of everything piling on her. But the officer isn't buying sympathy as a valid explanation for what she's done. He keeps circling back, calm but relentless, to the one question that actually matters here. Why did stealing someone else's identity feel like the answer to her problems?
Miss Savannah, do me a favor and don't use your phone right now.
Okay.
Where's your driver's license?
I didn't bring them. My real stuff.
How much money did she get on this one?
On which one?
The first one.
A lot.
What was a
Came
lot?
to our branch
I need to know a number.
Yeah, and who?
Was it? Did it happen here in Hayville?
and some other branches.
I'm talking about no.
Branch.
How much money did she get from Hayville? That's the only one I could put a case on. And tell me, I need a date and time she came here and draw.
I think she did 8, so about 6,
Huh?
about 15,
15 what?
15,000.
15,000?
Have her print all that from the last one, we'll get her for that one, and this one for identity fraud on this, on
And
the
this
second.
one,
Did she give you money for
tried to
that?
get out 8,000, but the account is inactive.
Okay, so 15,000. We need a printout on that then.
Yeah, and we need everything printed from the transaction, the amount. Did y'all contact the account holder?
The account owner is either, if I can remember, Alabama or Florida.
Okay, if you could get us his or her information, how much money was taken out, because obviously those people would be victims and the bank itself as. Did y'all file a report that time?
No, because it wasn't discovered until she went to other branches.
Okay, okay.
It was not the person, the account owner at that point went in.
Gotcha. She got $15,000, $8,000 to $15,000 the last time you were here, right?
The last time.
Yeah, we got your ID from last time too, where you used your.
She keeps insisting on her innocence, doubling down, says she Ubered all the way here, swears repeatedly that she didn't take anything, but her story is visibly crumbling in real time on this body cam footage. The officer orders her to put the phone down immediately, no exceptions, and demands to see real, valid identification instead of another excuse or delay tactic. And that's exactly the moment the bank employee delivers the gut punch that changes everything. This isn't her first time doing this. Last time she walked through those very doors, she walked back out with $15,000, using someone else's stolen identity like it belonged to her. This body cam captures the exact second her denial completely collapses into undeniable, damning evidence right in front of everyone watching.
About their ID when you came here. So this is the second time. She didn't get any money this time because the account was inactive, but the last time she got $15,000. People go through things, I get it. But you got a lot of victims here. You're stealing from several different people. So, what do you think should happen to you?
I should do a warning.
Think so?
A warning?
You think so?
Yes.
Why do you think that?
I don't know what I'm doing.
You do know what you're doing. You're grown. You know exactly what you're doing. You did it twice. I'm being realistic with you. I'm being as real with you as I can. So, I mean, that's a lot of money. You can't just swipe that under the carpet like that's $15,000 you stole from somebody.
You think if somebody did that to you, they deserve a warning?
They took your money out of
Second
your.
chance.
If they look,
if they had things going on,
they took money out of your account and
and
you
like
used
to
it.
pay it back to that person or something.
That's not how that works. You can't pay that $15,000 back. That's why you're here. You used somebody else's ID and stole their money. So that's two things. It's a big deal. This ruins people's lives, not just yours, but if you come in and take money out of my account and pretend like you're me, you're ruining my credit, you're taking money out of my kid's mouth. Other ways to do stuff. I've been broke before and came up, and I didn't go steal nothing. So, you gave them your real ID? No, I'm talking about the officers.
I don't have.
No, did you give your officers?
This is where things get deeply personal, and the entire room goes tense for a second. The officer asks her flat out, no hesitation, "What do you honestly think should happen to you right now?" Her answer stuns absolutely everyone standing there. She calmly says she deserves just a warning. That's the moment he fires back hard and unfiltered, breaking down the very real cost of what she's actually done. Ruined credit scores, drained bank accounts, real families now dealing with financial devastation because of her choices. This clearly isn't a slip-up or an isolated mistake anymore. It's a repeated, deliberate pattern, and the officer makes it absolutely clear on camera that he isn't going to let her downplay or minimize the destruction she's caused to innocent, real victims.
Real information, I'm
Yes,
sorry. Okay.
yes, my real name, yes.
Okay.
Yes, my real name, yes.
It came back. You ever been arrested before?
When I was younger,
What for?
my husband and I got into a fight and I hit him in front of the police.
Like a domestic or something?
Yeah, they charged me, I think, with aggravated assault for hitting him in front of the police. That was like,
Did you hit him with something?
no, my hand.
How long ago?
Like 2009 or something. Way back. It might not even been in the 2000s.
What's your son arrested for?
He shot himself walking down the street or something in Clayton County. And I guess they have cameras or something and they saw it. He got picked up for a warrant, so when they saw that, they transferred him to Clayton County.
If I could.
What information do you need from the ones that you need here?
Yeah,
Name and number of the customer, the true customer?
that's it, and the amount and the date that she did it.
Got it, okay.
Okay, I need the only ones I need for is hate bill.
Yeah.
Okay, got you. Appreciate you now.
No, she said she Ubered here.
I was just saying that she had car keys, you know. I don't trust her, man. I don't even think who that name she gave us is her, man. I think we need to rapid ID.
Is that supposed to be her?
No, these are not her.
Okay, so I guess the last time she came in here, did she give her real ID?
No,
That's what she
Let me
gave
see
us?
what she do, man.
The body cam keeps rolling, and now her past starts spilling out piece by piece, layer after layer. She admits to a prior arrest, hitting her husband right in front of officers years back, and then opens up about her son's own arrest down in Clayton County, walking through how that whole situation unfolded on the street. It's a messy, tangled backstory full of contradictions and half-explanations, but the officer refuses to get pulled off track by any of it. He stays sharp, calmly steering the conversation right back to the case at hand, methodically gathering every last detail needed for the official report. Meanwhile, behind him, bank staff are quietly racing against the clock, cross-checking records to confirm exactly who this woman really is. Because at this point, nobody in that room is entirely sure her story adds up.
The customer, the true customer, went into a branch, whatever state they're in, and said that money has been coming out, and that's how we.
So here's the thing. She got her picture on these IDs. These are not her name. This is not her name. This is a different name with her picture on it.
Yeah.
So some kind of way she's giving us our customers' account information.
Yeah.
So her name is Sawana. She swears that's her real stuff. I mean, whether it is or not, we'll find out.
Yeah, because like I said, these are convincing.
Usually what happens is these people find a homeless person on the side of Cleveland Ave and say, let me take your picture. I'll be back tomorrow. I'll give you $100 if you go in and cash this check. And they come back with a fake ID with the picture on it. Well, we just had a guy, last week or the week before at Delta Community do the same thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man.
But she got 15 grand last time?
Yeah. This one had some transaction with 8,000.
So she tried to get 8 this time. The last time she was here, she got 15.
That's what
she actually got it. Walsh says this is the second time.
That's what I'm saying, dude. She did 2 transactions on the same day for 8,000.
Today or the last time?
No, the last time.
The last time.
And she got both of them.
Which one? This one here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, she got 16,000.
Yeah, she got a total of 16 from us.
This is the moment the entire scheme finally comes into full, disturbing focus. And honestly, it's chilling to watch unfold on Bodycam. Officers start breaking down exactly how this operation works. Scammers deliberately targeting vulnerable, often homeless individuals, snapping a quick photo of them, and slapping it onto a stolen identity to manufacture a fake ID that's disturbingly convincing at first glance. And then it gets even worse when the details start connecting. This isn't some random, isolated incident happening in a vacuum. A nearly identical case just went down at another bank branch only weeks earlier, following the exact same pattern. The body cam captures the precise second it all clicks into place for everyone standing there. This isn't just one crime happening today, it's a coordinated operation that's been running quietly, and it just got caught.
Because check this out, when we run this ID, these numbers come back to somebody else.
Okay. The one at Delta was an older black guy, came back to an old white guy.
Yeah, so I told her to print whole. And you said today she tried to get another 8,000.
Another 8,000. So this is the 8 that she tried to get, but the account is inactive. Meaning there hasn't been any activity.
So right now I got 2 charges of identity theft, and then the other one's gonna be 2 charges of fraud. All right, now, what I need from you before I go, I just need a recorded statement on what happened today.
Okay.
If you can just tell me what happened with Kurt today.
Sure. She came in, presented a different ID, asking for $8,000 out of the inactive account. Baker pretty much stalled because we recognized her before when she came in, so he kind of stalled, and that's when we called you all to
Okay.
have her arrested.
Okay.
Pretty much.
Well, hey, thank you for your statement. Any further things you need from us, reach out to us.
Do you need that cane to walk?
Yes.
All right, well, let me get your purse from you, okay? You got anything else on you that's gonna stick harm us or poke us or anything? You are gonna be under arrest for this, okay? The bank wants to prosecute, the person wants to prosecute. We're gonna make it as easy for you as possible, okay? We're gonna walk you to the car, we're gonna handcuff you when you get to the car, okay?
All right.
Now the full weight of everything comes crashing down all at once. $16,000 stolen across 2 separate transactions, 2 counts of identity theft, and fraud charges stacking up fast right there on camera. Then comes the search of her purse, and it seals her fate completely. More fake bank cards turn up, more undeniable physical proof, and there's simply no way out left for her now. No more excuses left to give. Cuffs go on, and she's walked calmly but firmly toward the patrol car. The entire scheme finally caught, exposed, and brought to an end right in front of the body cam. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.